Today my sister will be performing a few Lord Krishna pieces. My sister is a disciple of Guru Srimati Rani Sunil for over 3 years. My sister has put a lot of work and effort into these pieces. We hope you enjoy. The first piece is Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali is an invocation piece done at the beginning of a performance. Pushpanjali means an offering of flowers by the dancer. Sometimes a shlokam is also incorporated. The shlokam can be in praise of any deity. This piece is in Ragam Valaj Talamadi. Please enjoy.
పుష్పాంజలి అనేది ప్రదర్శన ప్రారంభంలో చేసే ఆవాహన భాగం. నర్తకి పుష్పాలతో దేవుని స్తుతిస్తూ చేసే నృత్యం. ఇప్పుడు మనం పుష్పాంజలి నాట్య ప్రదర్శనను చూసి ఆనందిద్దాం.
உலகினில் தோன்றிய உயிர்களை காத்திடும் உம்மை சிவபாலனாய் உதித்த விநாயகா உலகினில் தோன்றிய உயிர்களை காத்திடும் உம்மை சிவபாலனாய் உதித்த விநாயகா எது குறை வேண்டினும் தீர்த்திடும் புதுமையிலே திகழ் மனக்குளராயது குறை வேண்டினும் இணைகளை தீர்த்திடும் புதுமையிலே திகழ் மனக்குளராயதா உலகில் தோன்றிய உயிர்களை காத்திடும் உம்மை சிவபாலனாய் உதித்த விநாயகா எது குறை வேண்டினும் பிழைகளை தீர்த்திடும் புதுமையிலே திகழ் மனக்குளராயகா நீ சனி சனி தபத நித நித பத 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 சக பத நிச நீ சனி சனி தபத நித நித பத 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 சக பத நிச சதிதாம் சதிதாம் தீதாம் சதியேயேயேயேதோம் சத்திகிண்ணதோம் கதிகிண்ணதோம் 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 தாம் 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 தகதிததாம் தகதோம் கதிகிண்ணதாம் தாம் தாம் தகதிததாம் தகதோம் கதிகிண்ணதாம் தாம் தாம் தகதிததாம்
Now she is going to perform Varnam. Varnam is the central and most elaborate dance in the Bharatanatyam Marga. It is a demanding dance testing not only the stamina of a dancer but the training, the skill and the imaginative faculty of a dancer to improvise. The dancer should successfully alternate between pure dance and Abhinaya. The one whose mount is a beautiful peacock, the one who's the husband of Devasena, the one who grants the wishes and boons desired by his devotees, the ever youthful one, Lord of the Kalani hills, please come to remove and destroy my sins. Kolamayal Varnam, set to Nagam, Shanmugapriya and Talamar.
భరతనాట్యంలో వర్ణం అనేది అత్యంత విస్తృతమైన నృత్యం. ఇది నర్తకి యొక్క శిక్షణ, నైపుణ్యం మరియు కల్పనా శక్తిని మెరుగుపరచడానికి అవసరమైన నృత్య పరీక్ష. ఈ ప్రదర్శనను ఇప్పుడు చూసి ఆనందిద్దాం.
மயில் மாதனே குஞ்சனே மனா